Don't spend $35 on this mouth tape and instead go to your nearest airport and hop on a flight to Japan, get off of the flight, find a nearby drugstore, don't worry, they're everywhere. Try not to get distracted by Japanese hair care, ooh, there's Fino and honey. Walk down some of the aisles, you probably spot a lot of sunscreen because summertime is coming up. Try not to get distracted by all the colorful bottles until you finally find mouth tape for $3. So in the world of girl math, we technically just profited $32, which we can go spend on other fun items at the drugstore.